Hey y'all, welcome to my local flavor kitchen here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. What a beautiful fall day, a great day for some homemade soup. I'm going to use my grandma's old pan here and I'm going to make us some roasted vegetable soup. And it's going to be good. So I have my oven set to 425 degrees and I'm just going to put a little parchment paper down in the bottom of this pan here. Here's a little trick I learned, that if you crunch it up like that, then it won't curl up on you. And you just put it right here in the pan. I got the little package of the peppers that they have, the multicolored peppers that they have, the red, orange, and yellow. These are so good. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the tops off of them, gut them out, and then just give them a little slice, just like that. Then I found me a little baby squash, so I'm gonna give it a little cut. I'm also going to do part of this poblano pepper, just a little bit of it. I'm not going to do the whole thing, just going to do a little bit of it. A whole thing of garlic. And I'm just going to cut the end off, just like this. Just cut the end off, and then I'm just going to set it down in here. Move this over. And now I'm going to use these really sweet cherry bomb tomatoes. These are so good. So it's mainly going to be like a tomato, a little bit of roasted vegetable. All right. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of this mascarpone because I'm going to roast it with the rest of the vegetables. What this is. It's just like a spread. Good spoonful of that right in the middle. Now we're going to olive oil it. Just drizzle your olive oil right on top of everything. Do a little bit of rosemary. That's opened up pretty open up there. Just kind of sprinkle that on. And then I'm going to do the kinders. The blend. This is the salt, pepper, and garlic. If you haven't tried this, it's so good. And whatever else you want to put on there. I have some thyme. Thyme around. There we go. Now I'm just going to kind of give it a little stir. Make sure that my vegetables are covered real good with the olive oil. We're going to go into 425 degree oven at 40 minutes. This is going to be so good. I have a little bit of French bread left over from the other day, so I'm going to make some bread to go along with our soup. I'm just going to make a little butter mixture to put over the top of our bread, and you can just do anything you want, really. I mean, I'm going to throw a little bit of olive oil in this butter, just a tad. Put some roasted garlic and herb in there. That'll do. And then I have some grated Parmesan, so I thought I'd put some of that in there. Wait, I might have some already open. Already used it. Little grated Parmesan. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so good. Get these buttered up real good, and then we'll throw these in the oven when our vegetables are done while we're blending our soup up. Hey, there we go, our little roasted vegetables. Now, I'm just gonna start putting those right into my blender. I'm gonna peel that thyme off of the little stems there and get the stems off. All right, now I'm gonna take my garlic and I'm just going to squeeze it right out of, just like that. Just give it a squeeze and get it right into the blender. Cheese is all in there, melted together with it. Let me rip this off here. All right. Going to take this and dump it right into the blender. I'm going to put a little bit of heavy cream in there. We'll do about a cup for now. I'm sure we'll probably need a little more. I've got my bread in the oven at 400 degrees, and I'm gonna bake it for about 10 minutes. It might not even take that long. All right, now let's get this blended. See how thick it is. Still pretty thick, so I'm gonna put a little more cream in there. If you need to, you can put a little chicken broth in there to thin it up. Just see how it goes. OMG, that's good. All right, I'm gonna put this into a saucepan and put, actually, wait a minute. I think this thing heats up. It does. Does it heat? It does. Soup. Oh, I don't know. I don't even know how to fix it. I don't even know. I'm gonna go ahead and add a can of chicken broth. It's still pretty thick, so I'm going with the rest of the can. Whole can of chicken broth. Although I do like my soup a little thick, not quite that thick. I think that looks good. All right, I'm gonna pour this into a saucepan and get it hot on the stove. Our crunchy, crispy Parmesan bread, looks and smells so good. Parsley flakes on top, just because I think that looks fancy. That is so good. Go make this, it is so good. Listen, you can put whatever vegetables you want in it, whatever sounds good to you. Get some zucchini. I mean, there's all kinds of things. Oh, onion. I didn't put any onion in it. That would have been good. Have to make some more. This is so good. This ain't soup. It's a hayride in a bowl.